Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to enable Rise to Wake on your Vivo phones. If you just pick your phones, it automatically wake up. You can just use this option on your Vivo phones. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to enable the Rise to Wake option on your Vivo phones or FunTouch OS phones. So first of all, you just go inside the setting option. Then just swipe down to the bottom section and you just want to find shortcuts and accessibility. So after clicking this, you just need to click on the smart motion. And here you just want to turn it on the smart screen on off on the top. So just click this. So after clicking this, you will see an option called Rise to Wake. When your screen is off, pick up the phone, it automatically turn on the mobile phone. So this option is so useful because if you're just picking up your phone, I just going to show how it's work. So I just going to pick my phone, it automatically turn on, so you can have a glance about the notification and you can see the face unlock also, so easy to unlock. So I just taking my phone, the screen is open. That's it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content.